Let's see the next instruction set from assembly language, which is arithmetic. So generally, as arithmetic operations, so you are going to expect the operations between two values like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and increment, decrement. So how to do those operations in between operands means either registers or constant values or RAM memory locations. So this is the complete instruction set which is help us to do all arithmetic operations in 8051 microcontroller. So this instruction set allows to do all arithmetic operations between different operands. So these are the possible syntaxes you can use. See the first instruction from your arithmetic operation, add a comma rr. So this instruction set which allows the addition operation between accumulator and general purpose register and saves the result in accumulator. And this in arithmetic operations your accumulator is going to play major role. So most of the instructions as a destination we will find accumulator. And the next instruction, add a comma add. So this instruction allows the addition operation between accumulator and address location. That means the two RAM locations 00 to 7FH in 8051. So this is going to add accumulator value and the value of address location, any address location you can use here. Next, add a comma at the rate of rp. So this instruction allows addition operation between accumulator and the pointer register which is representing one address. So that value you can add and it will save the result in destination accumulator. And once you are doing addition operation, so which is affects your all flags from PSW register, carry, overflow and auxiliary carry. And the first syntax is add a comma rr, add a comma address location value, add accumulator and pointer register address location, and next add a comma hash n, which is a constant value which will add accumulator value and constant value you can add directly and it will save your result in accumulator. And the next instruction is add c a comma rr. So this syntax allows accumulator and register value along with carry logic. So add c, addition with carry between a and register, any register you can use from R0 to R7. And add c, addition operation with carry, accumulator and address location value. So these addition operation which will give the result and saves the result in accumulator itself. And then add c a comma the pointer register, whatever the address which is representing from RAM memory, so that value we are going to add and it will saves the result in accumulator. And then add c a comma hash n, so which is going to add accumulator and constant value n means 8-bit constant value and with carry and it will save the result in accumulator. And DAA, which is decimal adjust after addition. So this instruction which is help us to get the result, because generally you will get the result in hexadecimal form. If the result in hexadecimal characters, so like A to F, so I don't want to see the result in characters. If you are looking to see the result in only numbers, you can use this decimal adjust after addition. So if the value comes like example A1H, so A is a character, so then with these A MSB bits which will add additionally with 6, either it is a lowercase or uppercase. So 1A which will adds with 06, and if it is A1 it adds with 60H, and both are characters like ACH, then it will add with 66H. So anyway, I just want to see the result in numbers form. I don't want to see the result in characters wise. So then you can use this syntax DAA, decimal adjust after addition, and then decrement A. So this is like minus minus, which will decrement accumulator value by 1, decrement RR. So this decrement RR, which will decrement the register value by 1, and decrement ADD. So this address location value, which is decremented by 1, and decrement @RP. So this instruction, which will decrement the address location value, which is indirectly representing through pointer register R0 and R1 or R1. And division AB, DIV means division between A and B. So this division operation you have to do with only accumulator and B register. There is no other syntax which supports for your division operation. You have to take your two numbers into A and B registers, and after division operation you will get two results. One is quotient and other one is remainder, and quotient will save with A and remainder is going to save with B register. This is division operation. And then what about increment instruction? So this again increment A, which will support and increment the value of accumulator by 1, and increment RR. So this instruction which will increments the general purpose register value by 1, and increment ADD. So this instruction which is increments the RAM location value by 1, and increment @RP. So this which will increment the pointer register value by 1, and increment DPTR. There is a 16-bit register with us in your 8051. So this increment DPTR, which is going to increment DPTR value by 1, and even multiplication also. So this multiplication MULAB means the multiplication operation between A and B register. So even your division and multiplication you have to do with only an AB register. It doesn't support like MULA register, MULA address location. So your multiplication and division operations you have to do with only two operands, which are A and B registers. And the subtraction operation between A and RR, subtraction operation with A and address location value, subtraction operation between A and pointer register value, and subtraction operation between A and constant value. And your destination should be accumulator in all these cases. So, and the number of bytes means, so which is going to convert into opcodes, each instruction which consists of one equivalent opcode, so which is going to take how many locations from code memory. And the cycles, which are means mission cycles. So these mission cycles, the time taken to execute instruction which is defined as mission cycle, and how many mission cycles it will take, so that purely based on the operands in your instruction. And these flags, or what are the flags affected for these operations? So this is all the complete arithmetic instruction set, which is help us to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment and decrement. We will see the sample programs in next session. Thanks for watching.